Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on PC for beginners. First, download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. Next, create an Epic Games account or simply log in if you already have one. Then, install Fortnite. It requires about 26 gigabytes of storage space. Finally, adjust your in-game settings to ensure optimal performance and a comfortable playing experience. This setup process is straightforward and gets you ready for action. Understanding your controls is crucial for success. Use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right. Press the spacebar to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground. Left-click your mouse to fire your weapon, and right-click to aim down sights for better accuracy. Remember to use the E key to interact with items, open chests, and pick up loot. These basic movements will become second nature quickly. Fortnite features a wide array of weapons, each with varying rarities from common to legendary, indicated by color. You will also find crucial items like shield potions, health packs, and different types of ammunition. Always search chests and supply drops for the best gear to improve your chances. Efficiently managing your inventory, which holds up to 5 weapons or utility items, is key to survival. Prioritize what you carry. Building is a unique and vital aspect of Fortnite. Gather materials like wood, stone, and metal to construct defensive structures. Quickly build walls, ramps, and floors to gain a height advantage or protect yourself from enemy fire. Simultaneously, practice your aiming and shooting skills against moving targets. Combining effective building with precise shooting is the ultimate strategy for outplaying opponents and securing victory in every match.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.